Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning's Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way of solving the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. 3 men and 6 women can dig a well in 4 days. 5 men and 4 women take 3 days. How many days would 8 women and 1 man take? A. 6 days, B. 8 days, C. 10 days, D. 4 days, E. 9 days. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. Let M be the fraction of the amount of work done by 1 man in 1 day, and W be the fraction of work done by 1 woman in 1 day. Therefore, 3M plus 6W equals 1/4. 12M plus 24W equals 1. And this is equation 1. Similarly, 5M plus 4W equals 1/3. Therefore, 15M plus 12W equals 1, and this is equation 2. Solving both equations 1 and 2 simultaneously, we get 18M equals 1 and 72W equals 1. Therefore, M equals 1 over 18 and W equals 1 over 72. 8W plus 1M equals 8 over 72 plus 1 over 18 equals 3 over 18 or 1 over 6. Hence, 6 days is the answer, and that is letter A. Estimated time to arrive at the answer is 120 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4.0. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option A. That is 6 days. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Okay, it's now trying to define the variables which use the same variables as the standard method, M and W. Okay, it's now calculating the combined work rate for 8 women and 1 man. Alright, it gave us 1 over 6 per day, which is letter A. Now let's try this on Google's Gemini. Let's paste the same question and see. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem. Alright, it's representing the values of the amount of work done by 1 man in 1 day as M and the amount of work done by 1 woman in 1 day as W, which is the same representation used in the standard and ChatGPT. But it gave us a different answer and chose 10 days, which is letter C. And we all know that the answer should be letter A, 6 days. Oh well, let's move on to the most exciting part. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of an AI or a calculator. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, the smart way. If 3 men and 6 women take 4 days, hypothetically, 1.5 men and 3 women will take 8 days. Hence, 1 man and 8 women will obviously take less than 8 days. Also, 1 man and 8 women will also take more than 4 days. Hence, the answer lies between 8 days and 4 days, which is 6 days. Therefore, the answer is letter A. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 5 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.